Most of us start our day with a comforting cup of coffee, savoring those first warm sips as the world wakes up around us. And when the mug is empty, we usually toss the used grounds into the trash without a second thought, treating them as nothing more than leftovers. But those dark, damp grounds are more than just waste. They're a hidden resource packed with potential for your garden and the environment. Coffee grounds can enrich your soil, providing nutrients and organic matter that help your plants thrive and grow stronger. By returning them to the earth, you complete a natural cycle, transforming beans to brew, and then back to the soil, where new life can flourish. This simple habit not only reduces household waste, but also supports sustainable gardening practices that benefit both your backyard and the planet. Instead of discarding grounds, try collecting them in a container by your sink or on your countertop for easy access. In just a few days, you'll be surprised at how quickly the container fills up, enough to make a real difference in your garden beds or compost pile. Add them to your compost, where they'll break down and feed beneficial microbes, or dig them directly into your borders and garden beds to boost soil structure and fertility. It's a free daily soil amendment that builds healthier, more vibrant gardens, one cup at a time. This small change connects your kitchen to your garden's success, creating a rewarding loop of growth and renewal. Every handful of grounds is a step toward a greener, more resilient patch of earth, and a more sustainable lifestyle. Gardeners have always made the most of what they have. Let your daily coffee habit do the same, turning waste into wonder. With each cup, you're not just fueling yourself, but also nurturing your garden and the world around you. So start seeing your coffee grounds as a daily gift to your garden, and watch the hidden life in your coffee filter come alive. Why are coffee grounds so good for your garden? Let's explore the benefits. They're rich in nitrogen, a key nutrient for leafy growth. This makes them an excellent addition to your compost pile or directly to your garden beds. As they break down, they release nitrogen slowly, feeding your plants over time. This slow release ensures that your plants get a steady supply of nutrients. Coffee grounds also improve soil structure, breaking up heavy clay and helping sandy soils retain moisture. This dual benefit makes them versatile for different soil types. Their fine texture creates air pockets in clay, improving drainage and root growth. This aeration is crucial for healthy root systems. In sandy soil, they act like sponges, holding water where roots need it. This helps plants thrive even in drier conditions. Mixing grounds into your beds makes soil crumbly and easy to work. This makes planting and weeding much simpler. They blend in smoothly, never clumping or forming barriers. This ensures even distribution of nutrients. Consistent use builds rich, dark, fertile soil, the foundation of a thriving garden. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in soil quality. Whether your soil is heavy or light, coffee grounds help create the perfect environment for plants. They adapt to the needs of your garden. It's a simple, natural way to boost your garden's health. So, next time you brew a cup of coffee, remember your garden can benefit too. Healthy soil is alive with microbes and earthworms, and coffee grounds feed them both. Grounds provide food for beneficial bacteria and fungi, fueling decomposition and nutrient cycling. Earthworms love coffee grounds. They flock to them, aerating soil and enriching it with their castings. By adding grounds, you encourage a thriving underground ecosystem. This boosts soil fertility and plant health naturally. In compost, coffee grounds act as a green material, heating up the pile and speeding decomposition. Mix them with kitchen scraps and browns for balanced compost. A handful of grounds can kickstart microbial activity, giving you rich compost faster. You're not just feeding plants, you're building a living, breathing soil community. The result? Stronger plants, better harvests, and a more resilient garden. Coffee grounds are a simple way to support the life beneath your feet. Worried coffee grounds will make your soil too acidic? Don't be. Brewing removes most of the acid, leaving grounds nearly neutral, safe for most plants. Used in moderation, they won't harm your roses or veggies. Acid-loving plants like blueberries will appreciate them, but all gardens can benefit. Avoid dumping thick layers of grounds which can form a crust and block water. Instead, sprinkle a thin layer and mix it into the top inch or two of soil, or add them to your compost, blending with other organic matter. Properly integrated, coffee grounds improve soil without any downside. Use them as an ingredient, not the whole recipe, for best results. How do you use coffee grounds in the garden? There are actually several practical and creative ways to put those leftover grounds to good use. turning kitchen waste into a valuable resource for your plants. Start by adding them to your compost bin. Coffee grounds break down quickly and add important nutrients, helping to create rich, healthy compost for your garden. They're a great green material, just balance with browns like leaves or cardboard. This balance is essential for a thriving compost pile, ensuring it doesn't get too wet or too dry. You can also work grounds directly into garden beds before planting. Mixing them into the soil improves texture and adds organic matter, which helps roots grow strong and healthy. Sprinkle a thin layer, then rake into the soil to boost fertility right where roots grow. This method is especially helpful for vegetables and flowers that need a nutrient boost. Make a liquid feed by steeping grounds in water for a day or two. Use this to water hungry plants. This homemade fertilizer is gentle and can be used on a variety of garden favorites. Coffee grounds can even help deter pests like slugs and snails. Their texture and scent make them less appealing to these common garden invaders. Sprinkle a ring around vulnerable plants to create a natural barrier. This simple trick can help protect tender seedlings and young plants from damage. Some gardeners find the scent keeps cats away from seed beds too. It's a natural way to discourage curious pets from digging where they shouldn't. With these simple uses, your daily coffee habit becomes a powerful gardening tool. You'll reduce waste and help your garden thrive at the same time. Don't throw away your grounds. Let them work for you and your garden. With a little creativity, coffee grounds can become an essential part of your gardening routine.